Hi there, this is Carlito Fluito from Raining Rosas, and this was the previous lesson. So let's go for the next. So this means every lesson will be erased when I start the next. So be very updated and follow every lesson, all the lessons, either in the stories or in the Facebook group, everywhere. By the way, Facebook group, a lot of high quality value content over there. So for the lesson of today, I want to speak about money, okay? So I know that in the world of performing arts, many artists, many performers have huge blockages about money. And this is something I really want to talk with you about today, and I want you to understand new things. So even me, I probably have blockages about money because I'm giving these lessons with the chalk and blackboard, which is the cheapest way of teaching something. You know, it's not even slides, it's not even like a whiteboard or anything. So just so you know, me myself, I'm struggling with this. So for today, I'm gonna go very simple. If you want more of this content, if you want more information about money and performing arts, just tell me. I'll write money in the comments, because then I can go more in depth and more into each of the concepts that I'm going to explain you right now, okay? So I want you to explain you like the circle of money and the other direction of money, okay? So let's go. You are this person, and let's say that you are a red person, right? Red person. Maybe you are a green person. Green person. Maybe you are a blue person. Maybe you are a white person. So whoever you are, you have some beliefs about money. And maybe you believe that the people that have money are either yellow or green or blue or pink. I don't care. The point here, no matter who you are, when money comes to your life, it will just multiply. It will just make who you are bigger. It will expand you. So if you are a green person and then you receive money, then you will be a more green person. If you are a blue person, then you are a more blue person. If you are a yellow, then you are a more yellow. So now you can ask why this world is always surrounded of people with money. Because people with money have expanded, have multiplied. You see? And people green, for example, now to go more with the metaphor, people that are more ecological, many times they don't want to deal with money. And you can say, oh, they are growing, but they are growing in a different path. Imagine ecological people with money. How many of us could be using alternative energies nowadays? Extremely important. An artist is exactly the same. How come artists want to grow without getting themselves involved into money? Is a thing, is really a thing. So this is the first lesson. No matter who you are, money will multiply, will expand the person that you are. Extremely simple. If you expand, obviously, you will need more money, but not need. It's like money will circulate through you. This is extremely important, extremely valuable. You stop having money to start considering money as something that comes to you to be transformed into something fundamental. And what usually happens is like the more money that circulates through you, the more money circulates through you. So this is basically a feedback loop. You get money. The more it comes in, the more it comes out, and the more that comes out, the more that comes in. Obviously, this has its context, because if you are just wasting and spending your money, the money is not gonna come in. But if you plan to grow your career and you invest money in yourself, then more money will come through you because you are investing, you are expanding who you are. Good. So, the next step here is a very important question that so many people haven't asked. Even artists that have so deeper level of self-understanding and self-reflection and understanding of who they are, I don't think many times they skip this very important question. They focus too much on the who, this is the who I am, but they forget about this, which is the why. Why do you do what you do? Why are you an artist? Why do you want to share your message with the rest of the people on the planet? You need to be so in contact with the why. Because if you are not in contact with the why, you will forget what you do. And then you will stop circulating money and you will not grow. You will not multiply who you are. This is extremely fundamental. And the next question is why people have these limitings with money. Is because of the limiting beliefs. Limiting beliefs, my friends. This is fundamental. It's extremely important. Like, you need to uncover and discover your limiting beliefs. This will bring you very close of who you are, because who you are and your limiting beliefs are really connected. Why is more about the purpose, but this is about what do I believe about money. And obviously, if you think the money is bad, money is bad. If you think about all the people that use money for negative things, bad. Because then you are only focused on one type of person with money, which is the greedy people. But there are wonderful human beings on this planet using money for very good things. So keep this in mind. And then we have the next, which is this. Is the silence, is the void, is the nothingness. This is spirituality. I cannot type anything because here Muslim got it quite right. You cannot write God. Spirituality is something that I cannot talk about. You need to experience it. Spirituality will bring you all of this closer. It will give you a clarity on the person that you are right now. It will give you extreme clarity of how you can use the money to grow. It will give you clarity in your purpose, and it will get you in contact with your limiting beliefs. Spirituality is one of the most powerful things that you can find. And now, I have to close this with the actual circulation. Now you can choose. You can choose about this direction or this direction. You can go first this direction, thinking, I want to grow, I want to be big, I want to do more. And then I want more money. But the money is not coming to you, or you are feeling that you are wasting a lot of money, or you feel that you live in scarcity. And you ask why you don't get the money, and you develop more limiting beliefs. And you go into spirituality, but negative spirituality. The spirituality that brings you down, that brings you into depression, into feeling that your life is purposeless. This is one circle. Or you can go the other circle. The circle of discovering your limiting beliefs, finding out your purpose and your why, starting to attract the money, and becoming the person you want to become, growing as a person. And once you grow, once you get to this new level of expansion, then you go back and reflect and get in contact with what you are doing, with who you are, with your inner self. And then we repeat again. You will find new limiting beliefs. You will find a new purpose, bigger one. You will get more money. You will grow again. So if you want to know why you are doing this circle and how to break it, and how to start doing the circle into the other direction, of course, write money in the comment of the description, Because then we can talk very much in depth about this, and I can explain you how to do every step, each of them, very detailed, with very specific practices and exercises. So go ahead, write money in the comments, and talk to you very soon.